Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation right here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the reverse lights or backup lights is located, guys. Which fuse you need to check if yours are not working. We'll explain that in this video today, where you can buy cheap fuses from so you don't waste your time and money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't spend money, and time on things you don't need. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. We have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So here we will demonstrate on 2000, guys, and 16 F150. You will have 2 different fuse boxes, but we're working just one of the fuse boxes that's located under the hood in the engine bay fuse box, guys, right behind that car battery. If you pay attention, you're going to have that cover for the fuse box. You open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. Before we continue, guys, let me explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see you have different kinds of fuses, relays for motor companies, specific fuses and relays that could be really hard to find if you blow a fuse in a small town in the middle of nowhere, or they can be really expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a really good price. Keep some spares for peace of mind so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. So if you come in that row right here, guys, and you start from the very bottom, you count fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. That 10M fuse will be for the reverse lights, backup lights that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.